Hello. I want to talk to you a little bit today about NexSys Pure Batteries. Power when you need it for your floor machine, auto scrubber, burnisher, sweeper, and more. Today joining us, we have Mike Ryan. He's a technical expert on the NexSys Batteries. Mike, talk to us a little bit about why NexSys.
Thanks, Jeremy. So the first thing I'll touch on is the fact that the NexSys product is a virtually maintenance-free product. And I say virtually because it still needs to be plugged in. It is a sealed battery that never needs watering. That's a huge advantage in the floor care market. Second up, recharging. We can fully recharge these batteries up to 98% in less than 2 hours. So obviously this is a huge advantage in the floor care world when we're looking for quick turnaround. 98% in 2 hours is a big improvement over what's currently available. Cycle life, NexSys product it's also recommended, and it's also its estimated life is 1,500 cycles. 1,500 cycles being a full discharge. When we compare that to conventional flooded lead acid or calcium AGM, a flooded lead acid is roughly 700 cycles, and AGM is 400 cycles. So more than double the cycle life of those types of batteries. And we can also opportunity charge these batteries, which means we can plug them in when we need to and give them a boost charge without any consequence. Minimum gassing. Again, because it's a sealed battery, minimum gassing is a very important safety issue, especially in sensitive areas such as the education and healthcare markets. And last but not least, storage life. We can store these batteries for up to 2 years without needing a boost charge, which is really critical for any machines that are left idle for periods of time. Jeremy?
Thank you, Mike. These batteries sound excellent option or choice for schools and contractors to get more production life out of their floor machines. Mike, can these batteries be retrofit?
Absolutely. In any machine that currently specifies a 6-volt or 12-volt battery, they're a completely natural fit. They just need to be matched up to the charger. Many of the OEM chargers that are on board are already suitable for the NexSys product as well.
Terrific. So how is NexSys batteries made? What makes them so different?
Sure, they're thin plate pure lead, not essentially that abbreviation being TPPL. Thin plate pure lead being the battery plates themselves are made out of pure lead and they're paper thin. Therefore, we get more plates in the same size battery compartment than a conventional battery, therefore more stored energy.
Terrific. More power when you need it. That's the NexSys difference. So Mike, what's the background? Is this a relatively new offering or has this been around for a while?
Well, the company itself, NexSys, our parent company, has been in business for over 120 years. The NexSys product was originally developed by the U.S. military, specifically for the Abrams tank back in the 1970s. It was intended to be used when the engines were idle, that the tank itself could still have its operating equipment used.
Terrific. So it sounds like NexSys Pure batteries are perfect opportunity for those that want to get more power out of their machines and more to productivity. If you're interested in NexSys Pure batteries, contact us today at Gem Supply and we can start the conversation on how we can help you get more power out of your machines.